Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But what does a serpentine belt replacement cost? Of course, it depends on your make and model as well as labor costs, but in general a replacement serpentine belt costs around $70 to $200, plus taxes and fees, including around $50 for the belt and around $150 for the labor. 20 August 2018.
Take our lead.
Serpentine belt replacement is easy because today's automatic drive belt tensioners eliminate the need to loosen bolts or pry components into position for retensioning. Just rotate the tensioner, remove the old belt and install a new one.
Take our lead.
Starting out with the engine cold, you can probably drive for between 5 and 10 minutes before the engine starts to get hot. 2 miles with the engine cold won't hurt anything unless those 2 miles were in rush hour traffic and it took more than 10 minutes or so to get to the shop. 4 July 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.